Hey Niles West freshmen, my name is Mr. Hawk. I'm one of your deans of students. Today I'm going to show you how to use a combination lock just like this one. Check this out. Come on now. All right, this is awkward. Cut. All right, so I'm back. I have the combination now. I know what I'm doing. I went to the dean's office and I asked for the combination, right? So if you ever forget your combination or even your locker number in general, make sure you stop by and see us in the dean's office. All locker combinations have 3 numbers. The combination to this locker is 38, 18, 28. Make sure you do one full spin first. Make sure that it's reset. For the first number, you need to turn the dial to the right, and you're going to go to that number. For the second number, you're going to turn it to the left, and you're going to do one full turn, meaning you're going to pass the first number and then land on your second number. And finally, for the last one, I think it's the easiest. You're going to turn it to the right and go from the second number and just straight to the third number. So I'm going to show you this. Let me demonstrate. 38, 18, 28 is our combination for this locker. So the first thing we need to do is give the dial a few spins, make sure that it's reset. From here, we're going to turn the dial to the right to our first number, which is 38, and we're going to stop there. From here, we're going to turn the dial to the left, and we're going to go one full rotation. So that means we're on 38 right now, but we need to pass 38 and go to 18. So let me show you. Now from here, we're going to go straight from 18 to 28, turning to the right. Now from here, I have it set. There's a little bit of a trick, right? You're going to pull up on the handle, and at the same time, you're going to turn the dial to the right. And you're going to feel some resistance on the dial. That's okay. That means you did it correctly. You're going to pull up on the handle and turn right on the dial at the same time. Open the locker, right? It's just that simple. Remember, don't share your locker combination with anyone else. It is yours. Also in PE class, make sure you store all of your belongings in your locker. And if you ever forget your combination or even your locker number in general, just make sure you come see us in the dean's office. Let's have a great year. So now we all know how to open up these combination locks. My advice to you though is when you're finished using your locker, make sure you close the door. It's closed at the top and the bottom. Make sure this handle is pressed down. Sometimes they get stuck up, which means the locker is open. And then also give the dial a few turns just to make sure it's all reset and locked and you're good to go. Hey Niles West freshmen, my name is Mr. Hawk. I'm one of your dean of students. Sorry, I hesitated. It's okay. I had it the first time.